guys, and welcome back to the first installment of FAB Finds on a Saturday. I wanted to create this series to talk about products that I find that really excite me, that are absolutely fabulous, or to talk about products that I've rediscovered. Also to talk about products that I've found alternative uses for. So I hope you find this series useful, and without further ado, let's get to it. So the first thing that I've discovered very recently is the Avene Xera A.D Lipid Replenishing Cleansing Oil. Now it comes in a big pump like that, and it's actually for use on the body or for babies. It's very, very gentle on the skin. And when I saw this, I wondered if it might be a replacement for cleansing oil. I always do a double cleanse in the evenings. I first use a cleansing oil and then I go in with a cleanser. So I thought this might be a good alternative because it was excellent value for money. It was 240 bucks for 400 ml, and normally you get 200 ml for 240 rand if you're looking at the Body Shop cleansing oil, that kind of range. Of course, if you're going to be looking at the Clinique cleansing balms, then you're looking at in excess of 500 rand. So I thought that this was really, really good value, and I put it to the acid test with my Estee Lauder Double Wear, and it's absolutely fantastic. It takes off every last ounce of makeup. I do go in with a cleanser afterwards just to make sure that it's all rinsed off, but it really is fantastic. It's so gentle on the skin, and I'm really pleased with it because after all, I mean, this is a product that's not going to sit on the skin. It's basically going down the drain. So to find such good value for money in a pump action bottle, it's just really, really great. So very, very happy with this, and I would highly recommend it. The next product I'm going to talk about is a product by Revlon. It's been out a couple of months now, and these are called the Revlon Kiss Cloud Blotted Lip Color, and it comes in a little tube like that. They're about 130 bucks at Clicks, and I saw these and played around with them in the shop, and I realized that these might be quite good on the cheeks. They're absolutely beautiful colors. There's a whole slew of colors ranging from warm through to cool pinks. And the texture just lends itself to a cheek color more so than a lip color. I have actually tried them on the lips, but they're very drying. I wouldn't recommend them for the lips, but for the cheeks, they're absolutely brilliant. And the reason I love them, so the little bottle is like that, and it's got a little doe foot applicator. It's quite messy, in fact. If you try and put this on your lips, you're going to struggle a little bit. But on the cheeks, it gives you a very kind of translucent color, which is very flattering, and it's very youthful. So you can actually see your skin through the pigment, which is really nice for mature aging skins. When you don't want to look all powdered up and all kind of blushed up, and you just want something quite natural. So it's very easy to apply. I just take the little applicator, I put about 3 dots onto each cheek, and then I take a blush brush or my cream blush brush, and then I just dab it all over the cheek, and it's really so easy to blend out. So I'm very, very pleased that I found these and that I found an alternative use for them, because they're kind of everything that I would want in a cream blush. So I think Revlon have missed a trick there. They could have marketed these as both, perhaps lips and cheeks. I've got 2 colors. They're really quite similar, but the one is a little more intense than the other. The shades that I've got are Soft Sienna, that's the darker one, and the other one that I've got here is Blush Match, and that's slightly lighter. But these are fabulous. If you can get your hands on these, I would highly recommend them. Really, really good value and excellent cream blushes. So that's all for the first installment on Fabulous Finds on Saturday. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.